India is aiming at $5 trillion economy by 2025. Around 13 million enterprises have registered at government's Udyam portal, showing India's growing economy surge. Increasing focus on governance, compliance and reporting is opening new vistas for commerce and accounting graduates across the globe. Commerce and accounting have always formed the backbone of economic growth in India since time immemorial. For India to reach the $5 trillion figure by 2025, increasing number of skilled graduates is the need of the hour. Our young working population too provides a major boost in making India the third largest economy by 2027.
ये 21वीं सदी है और तेजी से बदलती हुई दुनिया में भारत को और अधिक तेजी से हमें खुद को भी बदलना होगा।
Huge opportunities are available in banking, finance, auditing, accounting and many more sectors. The Board of Studies, Academic of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is organizing National Education Summit on Commerce and Accountancy, NES-CA, on 6th and 7th of January at New Delhi. With NES-CA, ICAI aims to standardize the syllabi of commerce and accounting education. ICAI has joined hands with AIU, NCRT and NCTE for the summit. Come, join us to redefine the commerce and accounting education by following an inclusive approach. ICAI invites Vice Chancellors, Directors, Deans, Principals, HODs, Chairmen and Professors of Commerce Colleges and Universities and Secretaries of State Education Boards for the summit. Leading academicians and experts from the field of commerce and accounting will share their views on contemporary topics. Academicians from 23 states of India are attending the summit. Let's join hands to create one India, one accounting, one world. Let's celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to make India Vishwa Guru in the accounting world. NES-CA is a national education summit on commerce and accountancy.